It's Tuesday morning, very nice wet rainy day. So we are just moving a couple of trucks to get the truck out in the yard that I want, and one of them is this big Renault, a Hookloader that's just been built. It's going on a hire fleet. They're a nice truck, they are a nice truck, I'll give them that. Very big. So anyway, what we'll do, we'll have a proper look around this after. We'll show you around it proper, but before that, let me get it shifted, let me get this truck out. I've got injectors to change, so come on, let's crack on. Yeah, so I fit that injector, just programmed it with Texer, which I didn't video because I needed to get the injector number off my phone, just to photograph it before I fit it. So yeah, so then we have a customer that's just come on wanting a little 12-ton truck, so we have one of DAF, just got it out at the backyard. He got an air service last week, did this truck, and it had a pack repair done on it. So just doing a quick road test now, make sure everything's right. We'll just throw it at workshop and just check the body and bin on it, make sure that's all alright, which it will be anyway, but we just like to be 100% sure before anything's going out to a customer, and then we don't have any breakdowns or anything. So keep the customer happy and it'll keep my boss happy. So the job's good at that. So yeah, just give us a quick road test now, and then I think one of the lads is doing a check body and bin on it. And I'll crack on with that injector now. Now I've programmed it, we can start it up, make sure it runs alright, check for leaks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's all go today at workshop, I'll tell them. We're flat out here. Right, so now then, like I said, we've got that injector put in, took that truck on a road test and checked the body and bin on it, that's all good. Then I was going to start that engine up to make sure it runs alright, but then I just got sidetracked onto another quick job, and then it was dinner time, so I had my dinner, and now I've got a job to go to at Salford. So we'll shoot over to Salford, there's a couple of defects on the truck, we'll go and have a look at that. And there's another service to do as well, which I'll probably not film that because there's only so many services we can film and it does get a bit boring just tapping nuts. So let's go over there and we'll see you at Salford. Right, so we just got to Salford, and one of our other techs is here, Dave, the mobile lad. He's doing a couple of jobs here as well, and we'll go and see him and see what's happening. He can't be a camera shy though, Dave. We'll find out, won't we? We'll see if he's camera shy or not. If he is, He is. If he's not, you'll see him on camera. See you in a minute. So then, excuse me. Yeah, so this morning I'll give you a sneak peek of that Renault. I was intending to video the rest of it and give you a look around it, but that never happened today, so hopefully we'll get that on tomorrow's video, weather permitting. We put that injector in, did that, check on that DAF and a road test, and we shot off to Salford then. Did an air service which I didn't film, a 22 plate wagon that's just been through MOT a couple of weeks ago, so nothing wrong with it anyway. So basically it was just a case of inspect it, grease it, make sure everything's right. And then Dave was on site as well, one of our other mobile technicians. He's based at Chorley with me, grand lad. He had a few defects to do, and we had a body and bin inspection to do as well. So I finished doing what I was doing, jumped on with him. As you can see, just a quick clip on the head cam. Thought I'd try that out again. And that's pretty much it for today. So that's Tuesday wrapped up, done and dusted. So I hope you like it. If so, leave a comment, hit the like and subscribe button, and ding that bell for notifications of when I upload new videos. And on that one, my friends, we shall see you all soon, and take care.